Hello there and welcome to today's video, and it's a really quick one today as I'm working on some other project work, so I thought I'd just experiment with a daisy flower design that I made recently. So let's go get started. So I'll just wipe down my work surface as always, and I've got some white polymer clay here. It's Fimo Professional, but you can use whatever clay you fancy. So I've got my really small cookie cutter or fondant cutter, more like really, and I'm just going to go round and create a series of circles. So I'm just going to lift those away from my work surface with my blade cutting tool to ensure that they're neat, and just go around with my fingers. So now I need to create some petals with my circles, so I can make 2 from each circle, and again I'm just going to neaten those off with my fingers. The neater you are with your clay while you're working with it, invariably the better your end result will be, so it's always worth investing that bit of time. So I'm just using one of the circles as a base, and I'm going to go around and just pop some petals on like so. And I'm pressing down pretty firmly in the centre so that they attach well. And I'm going to build up a second layer like so, and I'm trying to ensure that the second layer of petals falls somewhere in between the first layer like so, just so that you get a nice kind of visual effect really. So there we go, that's layer 2 all done. And for the third layer, I've got a smaller selection of petals going on here, so that just creates a different effect entirely really. Up until now it was kind of looking like a daisy, but now it looks like something else entirely really. So it's just interesting basically what you can do with just different placements and different sizes when it comes to making flowers. So I'll just press down in the centre with my medium-sized ball tool, and the list of the tools that I work with regularly appear down below. So we'll just pop some yellow clay in the centre, and with my small ball tool here I'll just create a little pattern. And just neaten things off. So now my flower is ready to be baked. And at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. And my flower is all done, and I'll probably make a pin badge out of this, but it would work well as a pendant as well. So I just like the variation on this one, it creates an entirely different effect, so always worth experimenting with your clay.